5 ways to make more money. Hey, what's up, everybody? It's Adam with DIY Agency, and as mentioned, today's topic is going to be 5 ways to make more money. Very specifically, we're going to talk about one at the end here, but really want to just go through, if you're a small business owner, if you're an affiliate marketer, whatever you are, there's usually only about 5 ways to increase your revenues. The first is obviously to find more customers. So if you have 10 customers, the first way to do it is find 10 more, find one more, and then you're going to, of course, make more money. The second thing is to offer more products or services for those customers to buy. So again, if you have 10 customers and they're all buying product A, if you offer product B, product C, product D, and etc., it's a great way to increase your sales. Just think about McDonald's. Would you like fries with that? When somebody's asking to buy something, you obviously want to offer something else. The third way is to get them to buy multiple times. Again, whether it's 10 customers, if they're only buying once a year, if we can get them buy twice a year, 3 times a year, buy once a day, whatever it might be. Increasing the number of times that they purchase is a great way to increase the revenues that your company is making. The fourth way is simply increase your prices. So if you have 10 customers and they're paying $1,000 a month, the best way to increase revenues without finding more customers, offering more products, or getting them to buy multiple times is just simply increase your product or your pricing. So if you move it up to $2,000 a month, then you've essentially doubled your income without changing the amount of customers or anything like that. So that is the number 1 through 4. My favorite way is number 5. So once you have customers, it's easy to do all those things. Offer more products or services, get them to buy multiple times, or increase your prices. Finding more customers is usually pretty easy because there are a lot of people if you have a great offer. But converting more of your offers is really the critical piece. So if it takes you 10 meetings to get a new customer, if you can increase the amount of customers you get from those same 10 meetings, then you'll increase your revenues without having to do any extra work. And so what we're going to talk about really is how to convert more of your offers without really doing anything extra. So one of my favorite things is Marketing Boost. And basically what it is it's incentive-based marketing. So if you're talking with a prospect and you put out an offer, you can incentivize them to close or to do business with you by offering them, in this situation, a complimentary hotel stay, complimentary vacation. Really what this is used for is it's used by business owners, by sales managers and marketing managers, marketers, affiliate marketers. So let's talk about that real quick. So a business owner, obviously it's going to be a situation where you run the business and you want to increase your sales. Sales managers, sometimes it's about getting your salespeople to work a little bit harder and offering some kind of reward system for most sales in the month or the biggest sale of the month or something like that. Another way to do it is again with marketing managers. It's the same concept there. Just ways to increase sales or average order values or lifetime customer values, blah 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 blah. And of course, marketers and affiliate marketers. So this is really where I'm coming to you from, is about really just converting more offers. So if I offered up a product as an affiliate marketer, and I'm telling hey, you should use product A, B, or C. If I'm telling you to use Marketing Boost, if I incentivize it by saying, hey, if you sign up for Marketing Boost, I will give you a complimentary hotel stay, and somebody else is saying sign up for Marketing Boost and they're not offering that, then who are you going to choose? Obviously, you're going to choose me. I'm more likely to close that deal, so it makes more sense. So really what I want to talk about first is the destination. So with incentives, it's got to be something of value. You can't just say, hey, look, buy this $1,000 product and I'll give you an extra can of Coke, or I'll buy you a Happy Meal at McDonald's. It's got to be something of value. So if you look at what they offer vacation stays all across the United States. They offer them in multiple countries around the world, and I'm just going to scroll through this as we're going. And really, the concept being is it's 5 days, 4 nights, or 3 days, 4 days, 3 nights in a location where you're paying for the hotel. There are resort fees and stuff like that, like Wi-Fi and the like, taxes that they do have to pay. But a typical hotel stay might be, let's just say for number's sake, $300. And if you're able to get them that same hotel stay for $300 on the house, essentially, they're still going to have to pay for the Wi-Fi. They're still going to have to pay for the taxes. They would be paying that anyway. But if you could get them that discount on that $300, then that's certainly a value, especially if they're already planning on doing something like that, or if you're saying, hey, win a contest, go to Orlando or go to San Diego or Vegas or whatever it might be. Really great opportunities. And let's just talk about industries, like where can you use this? Again, there are multiple different industries that you can be involved in and offer this. It doesn't have to just be affiliate marketing. It can be a business owner. You could be a local business. You could be a restaurant. You could, again, do home inspections. I'm just zipping around here. But informational products is a great way to do it. Affiliate marketing is great. That's what I like to do is I work with local businesses, and I tell local businesses like dentists, doctors, lawyers, stuff like that, when they get a new client, they can incentivize them. So for a dentist, let's just say, as an example, your local dentist is offering Invisalign, which is a very big teeth straightening situation, and those are not cheap. It's $2,000, or if you're offering braces or something like that, it can be up to $5,000. So a new customer obviously brings in a lot of revenue. So there's tons of dentists, there's tons of orthodontists around the country, and even in your backyard, there's probably 3 to 4 within 10 miles of you. So how do you differentiate yourself from your competition? You offer an incentive for any kind of new client. So if little Bobby needs braces and Dr. Johnson is offering Invisalign plus a trip to let's just say Vegas for mom and dad, or a trip to Charleston, if little Bobby gets the braces or Invisalign, then it's going to be more likely to close than if Dr. Smith doesn't offer anything and has the same pricing. So that's the concept here. And again, really what we're talking about with how it can be valuable to you is there's a free basic plan for this. So you don't even have to spend any money. You can actually take a trip of your own for up to $1,500 and try this out on your own to make sure it works. And then you can give it away to unlimited vacation incentives in 6 different destinations. So you can actually try this before you actually even spend a penny. So you can earn some business and increase your offer closes just by doing that. So, converting more of your offers doesn't have to be difficult. Again, if you're presenting proposals to clients on a daily basis or prospects on a daily basis, if you can find some way of incentivizing them, it doesn't have to be Marketing Boost, which I highly recommend. And again, they have a free trial, so I definitely recommend that. But there are many, many ways to incentivize, whether it's a cup of coffee at the local coffee place or something like that. Depending, again, making it representative of what the sale means to you. So if I'm offering a $1,000 product, then I can give away a little bit more money. If I'm only offering a $10 product, then if my sale price is $10, then obviously my incentive has to be a little bit smaller because it sounds a little ridiculous to give away a hotel stay for a $10 sale. But if I'm offering, if I'm selling something like Invisalign for $2,000, or if I'm doing a home inspection, or again, if you look at many of those different things. As we talk about different industries. So, again, if you're doing any kind of life insurance, wow, I mean, this is a recurring life or revenue stream, retirement planning, home improvement, again, fitness, gym, mortgages, weddings, imagine the price of a wedding, if you're a photographer, or if you're doing a new roof. These things are enormous. If you're selling cars, they are, if you're selling a $40,000 car, and again, there's multiple, let's just say, Kia dealers or multiple, Ford dealers offering very similar pricing, but one dealer is offering you a trip to, let's just say Italy for 5 nights and 6 days. Then obviously I'm going to buy the car from that dealer because it just makes that much more sense. So again, really simply, there are 5 ways to make more money from every sale. Or every business. It's find more customers, offer more products or services to those customers. Get them to buy more often, multiple times, simply increasing your prices or converting more of your offers to the prospects that end up becoming becoming those clients. So I'm going to have a link below that's going to be the same link here. So if you want to try out Marketing Boost, there's a free trial. Check it out. If this is making sense, I hope it does. And you like the video, please smash that like button. And thanks for watching.